This brief video is going to show you how you can use Desmos to graph a function. So if you don't have a graphing calculator at home, you can always use Desmos on your Chromebook to create graphs. The website you're going to use is desmos.com. So you can come up to your address bar up here and you can type in desmos.com and hit enter. You'll get a page that looks like this. Up at the top, you'll see a drop-down menu for math tools. If you click that, you'll have the option to get a graphing calculator. So let's say you had this problem. F of x equals x squared minus 2. What I'm going to do over here on the left side of my Desmos graph is I'm going to type in f of x equals x squared. Now, to get a squared, above the number 6 key on your Chromebook is a little caret button. So if you press Shift 6, that will give you the exponent. Your other option is on Desmos down here in the bottom left. It allows you to show a keyboard. So if you don't remember that you can hit the Shift button in the 6 key to get the caret, you've got this a squared button right here that you can use to get squared. And then you would do minus 2. And then you could hide that keypad there. Now, what we want to do is get a table of values. So go down to the second line, and up here is a plus sign. We're going to click plus, and the third option down is a table. So we're going to add a table. X1 is on the left. What I need to do on the right is I'm going to say what I want in the right column is f of x1. The first x value my assignment asks me to graph is -3. So I'm going to type -3 in here. And it gives me my y value of 7. And the nice thing is it even shows me where that is on the graph. So I can come back over here and I can write my y value of 7. The next x value gives me is -2. So I can type that in. I can see my y value is 2. Then I can come here and type in -1. I can see my y value is -1. Then I can type in 0. I can keep going. 1, 2, 3, and I'll get the rest of my points. And then I can plot those here on my graph. So -3, 7 is here. -2, 2 is here. -1, -1 is here. 0, -2. And then I can finish plotting my points. Whoops. I'm trying to draw with my mouse. This is tricky to do. Okay, now I got to connect them in a smooth parabolic curve. Oops. Okay, good, not great. I'll take it. So that's how you can use Desmos. Now, what if instead of f of x, they had y equals? Well, the only adjustment you would have to make is over here. You would put y, and they're going to want to know, like this one, I want to call it y1. So over here, I'm going to do y1. And then I think up here, I need to do x1. Oh, it doesn't give it to me. Okay, so never mind. If they give you a y, change it to f of x. That way you can use your there we go. That way you can use your you can use Desmos to give you your table. Okay. So that didn't end as great as I want, but if you see y, put an f of x in its place. Okay, that's it. Email me if you've got questions.